This video shows how to crochet round 26 of the border for the squares in the wrapped in Jamie Carl. I've already done the chain 1 and the single crochet, chain 2, single crochet into the corner. So our next stitch will be 2 single crochet. Then we have a single crochet in the back loop only, and then 3 single crochet. Now we have 1, 2, 3 a double crochet behind and below the popcorn stitch. So that would be here. See that unworked stitch there? That's where we go in and work a double crochet. Then we find the first stitch after the popcorn. So this is the popcorn and this is the first stitch after the popcorn. From here it's 8 single crochet, and you can check if you have the correct amount of stitches as you go. 5, 6, 7 and 8, which you have if your 8th stitch is the one just before the one that is exactly above the popcorn, the double treble here. So we've got 8 stitches. That's a way to check on the go that you have the right amount of stitches. So here again we single crochet in the back loop only, and then we have another 8 single crochet. It's a very simple, very easy round. I don't think anyone has ever mentioned it to have a problem with it so far, so we all should be right. I didn't even count, but we should be ending in front of the popcorn, so let's just quickly double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that's correct. So my stitch count is correct. Great. From here we have another DC behind the popcorn, and that unworked stitch from the previous round. Finding the first stitch to work into again. 8 single crochet. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, a single crochet in the back loop only, so you can double check that your single crochet are above those stitches with the popcorn and then the double treble above the popcorn. So that's where we have single crochet in back loops only. Another 8 single crochets. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And another DCBB, another double crochet behind and below the popcorn stitch. Finding the first stitch to work into. This is the closing chain of the popcorn. This is our first stitch. Now we have 3 single crochet, 2 and 3, and the next goes into the back loop only, which leaves us with 2 single crochet before the corner. and that's the corner already. So very easy, very simple. Repeat on the other 3 sides and slip stitch into the first single crochet of the corner, and that will be around 26 done. So really quick and easy.